Hello, Paul again here from EMD Automotive. This is the 997 intake ports. Carrera S I was talking about. Look at that. So that's that one there. There's this one here. This one here as well. You can zoom in. Alright. Compared to before. See that? That's bank 1. This is the number 1. Number 2. Number 3. See the intake port, nice and clean. Everything is clean properly. So now I'm ready for the actual. This is the 996 engine. I'm waiting on the actual little part I ordered from Porsche. These two parts here. Because for some reason they were really loose inside the actual tensioner. I don't want anything to be loose, so I got it from Porsche. They were not that expensive anyway. This is the intake manifold. I just finished cleaning the intake manifold outside. See how clean it is inside here. That's only the. Before it was all carboned up. Nice new seals as well. I'm gonna give it a nice wipe. Inside here as well, clean. In here as well. Alright, everything's clean. So now I'm ready for installing of the intake manifold and exhaust manifold.